The best broccoli cheese soup is rich, creamy, and cheesy. This easy recipe is not only delicious, it's healthy too. It's packed with nutrients, is an antioxidant, and is high in fiber. This slow cooker recipe is a satisfying, low-carb, comforting meal without all the fuss, and is so versatile you can add other veggies and even leftover chicken. Craving a spicier version? Sprinkle a little red pepper flakes for a gentle heat that balances the creamy base. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started.
Now I've got a skillet on medium heat. I'm going to place 3 tablespoons of butter in here. While that's melting,
slice up 1/2 a medium onion.
And I just did a small dice on this. And I'll just get those onions sauteing in that pan.
Once onions cook, they sweeten up and balance the sharpness of the cheese.
While those are sauteing up, let's get our crock pot ready. We'll turn that up on high and add 3 cups of chicken broth.
Of course, you can use chicken stock here as well.
To that, add 1 cup of milk or heavy cream, half and half.
Whatever you have on hand. I have milk.
1 cup of cheddar, and mine is medium cheddar cheese here.
Add an extra cup of sharp cheddar here if you prefer a thicker soup base.
And a cup of cheddar jack. Now I'm going to give that a stir. Of course, you can add as much cheese as you like.
Or try a 1/2 cup of sour cream.
Let's check on those onions. Ooh, they're just perfect. Now, this is how I like my onions, just a little toasty. I think that adds a great flavor to this soup. Dump all the butter as well as the onions right into the crock pot. That butter will also give it a creamy flavor, especially if you're not using half and half. If you're just using milk, you'll need that butter flavor. That's why I'm not afraid to use a little more butter while sauteing those onions than it seems like it needs. Let's put the lid on that and set that aside. I've got about 4 cups of broccoli florets that I've had soaking in some veggie soak. Most of these I'm going to put the full heads in, but I do like to finely chop a few. Just into small pieces here. And I do like to add a lot of the stem here. I think that's where most of the flavor is. I don't like to throw that out. Well, let's get that all added to the crock pot here. Whoops, we got a runner. We'll let that cook for 3.5 to 4 hours on high.
Come back and give it a stir after about an hour, after that cheese has had a chance to melt. And if that broth isn't thick enough for you, mix up about a tablespoon of cornstarch to a tablespoon of water. Add that to your broth and it should thicken it up.
We will add a little salt and pepper to taste. replace your lid and
just let it do its thing for the next 3 or so hours.
let's dish this up and give it a try.
It smells wonderful in here. Toasted garlic bread pairs well with this soup. That is so good. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. I'd really love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch these videos next.